Hi guys. Yeah, a couple of days ago I got this new toy it's called the Indo Raptor. It can move every part of its body, including the mouth. If you want to buy it, you can get it off any shop or the internet. It is £25 to buy. And you can move every bit, even turn its head upside down, which looks like it's breaking its neck. It can also stand in two ways. Let me just get it up. Like this. And civilized. Subscribe to my channel if you want more short toy reviews. Hit the subscribe button, and after that hit that bell at the bottom. See you later guys. Bye!